Good day to my future employer. My name is Eunice Blas, 25 years old. I live in Caloocan, in Philippines. I have two children. The age is 4 years old boy and 6 years old girl. I have two brothers and I am the first in the family. I am a high school graduate and I am single. I have 2 years experience here as a helper. My daily doing is daily cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, gardening, take care the kids, and take care the pets. To my future employer, I will treat your kids like my own kids, and I will do my best to be your helper. To my future employer, please hire me because I am trustworthy, hardworking, kind, polite, and I have long patience to take care of the kids. Thank you to my future employer. Have a good day.